Now, after doing WH phonics, we will do PH phonics. We will learn what sound comes when P and H join together. P sounds P, H sounds H. P, H. When P and H join, it gives sound of F. 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 PH has same sound as F. F. In this slide you can see F frog, and in elephant, elephant, fant, F. In the place of F, PH gives the sound of F. Now, these are some of the words in which F sound is coming because of PH, like phone, the next one Philip, in the third one nephew. PH come in the center of the spelling. PH here gives the sound of F, nephew. Likewise alphabet, microphone,